Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today, finally, we're opening up the 2021 B case. So let's get straight into it and see what we've got. All my cases are from Grana Toys. I have a paid subscription there, and they send them out to me as soon as they become available. Man, I haven't opened a case in so long. I'm really looking forward to getting into this one. I've just researched the treasure hunts and super treasure hunts, so let's hope we get something exciting in this case. Let's start with the top three here. What do we got? The 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Man, that car is pretty cool. Got the X34 Land Speeder. Seen that in a previous case. And we got the Nissan 300Z X Twin Turbo. Very nice, those two blue cars. Keep on going. Oh, the 32 Ford with the Mattel games all covered in Uno. That's a really cool car, and I like that decal. Hot Wheels Formula Solar. We've also got a quick bite. Happy New Year 2021 countdown. Keep on going. We've got Roger Dodger 2.0, Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, as well as a Poison Arrow. Up next, we've got here, we've got the Road Bandit. Take a look at the new decals on this one. Looks very, very cool. Part of the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Very nice. Volvo 850 Estate in red there for the Factory Fresh series. Pretty cool. Like those chrome rims there. Very nice. And the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Alright, let's keep going. We've got another Volvo 850 Estate. Another Nissan 300Z X Twin Turbo. And we've got the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. I love my vans, and this one is no exception. Pretty cool. What's that? We got P-Pop and Sons. What are they? Pest Patrol Company. Pretty cool. I like that one. Nice. Oh, moving the box out of the way. What are we doing? Let's keep going. We've got Rockin' Santa Sled. We're getting a little bit late for 2020 Santa. Toyota off-road truck, nice in that bright orange there. Another van, the Dodge van in the Hot Wheels Drift series. Very cool, and I like this interior. Maybe you can't see it too well here on the camera, but it's all nice and chrome, and it looks like we've got a quad bike or something in the back there. Very cool indeed. Next, we've got the tuned twin mill. Weird. Oh, we got two of the tuned twin mills, so that's double weird. And we've got a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Now, this would be a super treasure hunt, but this is just a regular mainline. That's a little bit of a disappointment. All right, now we've got the High Roller. We've got a Party Wagon. I'm not sure if this has changed from the initial release. It looks very similar to me. Let me know if you think it's changed in the comments below. And we've got the Nash Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Very cool new casting. I really like it. The wheels are a little bit skinny for me, but it's a pretty cool looking car. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, we've got Hyperfin, very nice. Got another Toyota off-road truck, and we got the 68 Mustang in the tuned series. Whoa, my stack of cars is getting too big over there. All right, let's keep on going. We've got the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. We've got a Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, as well as that pretty cool purple Fig Rig. Next up, it's Cloak and Dagger. This is a pretty cool one here, the 96 Porsche Carrera. I really like the color we've got on this one. The decals on the side and the hood look very, very cool. And we've got Buns of Steel. Now, finishing off the top layer, we've got an RV there yet in yellow and silver. Very cool. An 80 El Camino and another Fig Rig. All right, into the second layer. Let's check it out. Ooh, I might have to bring this a little bit closer. What's in here? I think we got a Barbie Dream Wagon, a Dream Camper. Yeah, we have that nice pink Barbie Dream Camper. Put that one to the side. Got another 32 Ford there, and another Hyperfin. Ooh, we've got the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. That red color on this one's very nice. Is it red, maroon, brown? I'm not sure. Looks cool. We've got the Triumph TR64. This is a really cool little car. I reckon it'll be awesome on the track too. And we've got a cool combi with Hello Kitty on the side. I think that was going to be a popular car, not just for Hot Wheels collectors, but maybe Hello Kitty fans as well. Let's keep going. We've got the 64 Corvette Stingray. We've got a heavy hitcher as well as a Tankinator. Very nice. We're steaming through this one. 64 Corvette Stingray again. We've got the T-Rex Destroyer, boring, and we've got a 2020 Jaguar F-Type. That's the third one in the case. Alright, next up, it's another 68 Mustang in the Tune series, a Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, as well as another Road Bandit. We've got a few doubles now that we've gotten into this second layer. Oh, the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Torino. Pretty cool car, really popular, and it's in the Hot Wheels Drift series. We've got the Nash, and we've got the T-Rex Roya. Whoa, there goes everything on the desk. We've got the Hornator. We've got a Dreammobile there, the Hot Wheels Mattel Dreammobile. That's in that bluey green color. We got it first in red, but I like this color. And we've got a Quad Rod. Next up, more doubles. 2 Land Rover Defender 90s there. Nice color though. We've got a Rigor Mortor. I don't know how to say that one. Next up, the Dodge van. That's another one. 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. This one is pretty cool. It's 2 Porsches in this case, and this one is nice. And we have that 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Almost at the bottom here, we've got an 80 El Camino, got another 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, and we've got a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. No super, no regular. What's going on? Got a Putty Wagon, a Retroactive, and a 96 Porsche Carrera. Last 3 cars of the case. We have the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, we've got an Aeropod, and the Zombot. Now let's check out my favorites of the case. Alright, now my favorites of the 2021 B case would definitely have to be the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Very cool car. Cannot forget the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, as I love vans. And because I love the van so much, the Dodge van in the Hot Wheels Drift series. They're probably 2 of the standout cars of the case for me, as well as the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. I really do like a nice factory fresh series car, and this one is no exception at all. But I think the 96 Porsche Carrera is probably my pick of the case. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite car from the 2021 B case. Make sure you've smashed a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.